Morning, folks. It's about 5:30 in the morning, heading into the plant. Thought I'd give you a quick look at the light at the end of the tunnel. And we'll do a quick run through the heating plant. I don't want to spend a lot of time on it, and I want to show you what the inside of one of these boilers looks like. It'll just be base loaded with a small fire, but it's pretty big anyhow. Here's the inside of the plant. This is the boiler. You know it's got to be big when there's stairs to get to the top of it. It's a steam boiler, 150 horsepower, and we're running about 160 pounds of steam. So I want to take you around back and let you look at the fire from the sight glass in the back of it. Here's the draft fan. This is pushing combustion air in. See if I can get back here without tripping all over, starting my day. I gotta get a cup of coffee. Anyhow, we'll look in this. There you go, I don't know. Can you see that? If you're naughty, you may end up in a place like that for eternity. It's just idling along though. It's got 15 pounds of pressure on the natural gas, and goes through this 6-inch line. There's the regulator. Here's a couple of valves, safeties for the gas side. Got a little work area down here. I'll take a quick look upstairs. This boiler's the same size but a different type. Now I want to look at the flame signal lever. Okay, 64, 41, 66, and 80. 80 is where it should be. So we're going to have to adjust the fire eye on these burners here. Messing around with that a little bit yesterday. Always something going on. Let's see if we can see the flame through the sight glass on the side of this one. It's always a noisy place around here. I gotta wear hearing protection. This is about 4 feet in. This is about 10 feet further down. I'm moving kind of fast, but I need that cup of coffee. So anyhow, I just thought I'd give you a quick look at one end of it. You can see part of the original building. Hey, let's go upstairs, I'll show you that. You can see part of the original building here. Up on the 3rd level. I know I'm moving fast. Here's part of that old building, some of the brickwork. Look at this. They left the cutter in part of the roof when they made the new addition. I always thought that was kind of funny, but you know, they always took their time, did a nice job in the old days. Everything was nicer, everything was pretty. If it was a big piece of steel, they put a curve in it or something. Just like the arches on those old windows there. They just don't seem to want to spend the money to take the time. This is a steam drum up here. This is the DA tank. removes the air. Any air or oxygen that gets inside the steam drum will cause foaming and corrosion, so we want to eliminate that. Well, I just thought I'd give you a quick glimpse. I gotta grab my copy here.